I'm really excited to install these in my car because my first car that I had, I was really adamant about customizing it to like feel like be my vibe. It's like I spend a little time in my car actually, and I drive a lot. Like I'm always driving state to state, coast to coast, city to city. I'm driving everywhere. I spend a lot of my time on the road. So this is gonna be super fun. It's like almost 2 in the morning right now. So when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to show y'all how I install these.
So these were the instructions for the 21-foot car lights. The remote, I attached it to the front of my car, and then I just followed the instructions as such. These car lights are super safe, water resistant, flame retardant, also safe for my little sisters to be in the car with me as well. Riding around with my sisters is definitely way lit now, girl.
Yay! Okay, y'all, so I just finished installing it. The sun looks so good, that's why I decided to record and talk, and I'm gonna just put a voice over everything I just did. I still need to get some like stronger tape. I think I'm just gonna get strong black tape and just use it to tape it up because this tape is from the dollar store and that wasn't gonna do anything anyway. And these zip ties, my car isn't built like that. Okay, so yeah, only some of them work, not everything. But all in all, this setup was a smooth 10 out of 10. It was very easy. It just really depends on your car. And yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the settings like when it gets nighttime. So I'm gonna go to work, and then when we go off work, I'm gonna show you what it look like and all that good stuff.
Go to your app store, download Vont Home. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Home. So I just connected it to my Bluetooth of my car, which connected to my car light. Yeah, 16 million colors, 30 unique scenes. Your do-it-yourself. Car karaoke is so much better with lights that match the beat of any song I play. So it's available on my Amazon storefront. Y'all can go ahead and hit the link in my bio and shop now.